Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Thanks for stopping by. Today we're gonna go ahead and tackle some brake lines. We're gonna be doing the rears today only, so stay tuned for Wednesday. We're gonna be covering the fronts. Don't forget, the $250 Lincoln Diesel Specialties gift card is up for grabs for the month of April. We'll be drawing those names in the beginning of May, so make sure you guys go ahead and follow me on Instagram, subscribe to the channel, and like either a video or a post on Instagram that pertains to the giveaway. That's all you gotta do, so don't miss out on that. So we're gonna go ahead and get the truck lifted up. Make sure you stay tuned towards the end of the video. I'm going to talk about what brake lines I went with and why I went with them. Let's go ahead and get a little rusty. So right here is where we're gonna start. If you see up in the corner here, that's my rear brake line, the main one that goes to the back. If you've been following me this last week, that completely took a dump on me. And so I decided, I had a great idea from Eric to just completely take it out and use a bolt with some thread lock so I can get myself here, and it worked very well. So if you guys are in a pinch, you know, it does work really well. We're gonna go ahead and start that way. We're gonna work our way back. We're gonna start by taking them one by one. And hopefully that's the way it'll go. I've never done this before, so stay tuned and let's see how easy this is. So we've got the new one routed back. I don't know if you can see it. There it is right there. Now, like I said, by no means is the way it's sitting right now perfect. We're gonna try and tweak it a little bit more. You know, I was able to, with a second set of hands, obviously you could see Eric helped me out on it. We were able to use the exact same route from factory. The pre-bent lines do have a little flexibility to them. It's really nice. You gotta be really careful with it because you don't wanna kink it, you don't wanna twist it. But these pre-bent kits are absolutely amazing, and let's go ahead and talk about those real quick. Now what I have here is a complete set of a pre-bent kit from rockauto.com. I will leave in the link description below for this kit. This is not part of it. But what's really cool about these, so they could fit them in, they have these labels here, and it basically states that between those 2 points, you want it to bend straight. That's all the label says. It's really nice because obviously it fits in a nice package. It's super light. You know, shipping, I don't even think I paid anything for shipping, to be honest with you guys. But the kits are amazing. I did not go with a stainless kit. This is a OEM quality kit, and they are nylon coated. The reason why I went with nylon coated was simply because the stainless kits over years, you know, it's not a true, you know, high quality stainless. It's a really cheap stainless, and I'd say probably in 5 years they typically rust out. Now, they rust out to the point where you start getting pinhole leaks and all that kind of stuff. It's really no good. I personally, I would stay away from it. The reason why I say stay away from it is because the factory OEM kit that I have on here, brake lines have never been replaced. It's 100% obvious by looking at the old ones. You know, this is the quality of my old ones, and the scaling on it is just It's crazy. The thing about these though, they've lasted for 14 years. And quite honestly, just that rear line is the one that broke. It actually, you can't see it because it's just a small pinhole leak. You're not gonna be able to pick it up on my GoPro. I don't have, it's not a high enough quality camera to pick this up. For something that lasted 14 years, why would I go with something that completely is different? Now what's nice about the nylon coated kit is the fact that it's nylon coated, so you don't have this just raw steel that comes from factory when these trucks were first made, but it lasted 14 years. So even if they didn't have that kit, why would I not go back to this? If it lasts me another 14 years, why wouldn't I do it? So before you go buy the stainless kit, before you spend the money on it, you know, even the stainless kit's not this expensive. This was, I think, $88, $90 for the, well, not this one. The nylon coated was, I think, $88, $90. You know, you're talking maybe an extra $30 for a stainless kit, but make sure you do your research, because just because it says stainless steel doesn't mean it's a high quality stainless steel that's gonna last you a long time. Now we're gonna go ahead, take the rims and tires off. So now we're gonna go ahead and take the rims and tires off. We're just gonna take the old lines off right now. You know, I wanted to do the back by itself. I wanted to take it one off at a time, and now seeing how it's gonna run, we're still gonna go one at a time. To get started on the front, we're not gonna be able to finish tonight. Unfortunately, we'll come back on Wednesday. It'll be a different day for me. It'll be tomorrow, obviously. But we'll come back to you guys on Wednesday and we'll finish up this project. It's time consuming. The second set of hands is a lot of help, but it's not unreasonable for somebody to do this yourself. You know, they say the back is the hardest one, so hopefully the rest of it's gonna go just as easy. You guys will find out. Stay tuned for Wednesday, but don't forget, the $250 Lincoln Diesel Specialties gift card is still up for grabs. It's gonna be up for grabs the whole month of April. All you have to do is follow me on Instagram, subscribe to the channel, and like either a post or a video that pertains to the giveaway. That's all you have to do. At the beginning of May, I'm gonna do a random name draw and we're gonna select a winner for you guys. So like I said, stay tuned for Wednesday. Go ahead and like this video, subscribe to the channel. If you're already subscribed, make sure you hit that bell button so you get those notifications, and we'll see you guys on Wednesday.